we got the 17-my dash cam Omni X200. This was very awesome to use and unbox. While unboxing this, everything was nice and neat, pleasantly boxed, and it has a nice looking box on it as well. You get a lot of instructions, and it's pretty fairly simple to install, which is nice. Now, what I loved about this camera is how it easily 360 rotate, which is very nice. I love that. That is a first time I've seen that in a dash cam that rotates a full 360, which is very cool. I definitely love testing this out while driving as well. Now, what is cool about this dash cam is, unlike other traditional dash cams that rely on external SD cards, the Omni X200 feature is a built-in 128 gigabyte eMMC storage that not only provides ample storage for recording, but also ensures reliable performance and durability. And I say with this dash cam, time-lapse recording is also supported. Now, another thing what is cool about this dash cam is that it supports a 24-hour surveillance mode when your car is parked. The 24-hour parking mode automatically records and saves footage when motion or impact is detected when the vehicle is parked. And this dash cam also has a built-in GPS as well. Now you can log accurate vehicle locations and speed data, which can be crucial for a lot of reasons. This dash cam also has nice app called 17-my app, and you can connect through your smartphone, which is nice, and you can customize a load of settings and how long this camera records each clip for and all that, and you can control it to turn a full 360 so you can get a lot of different angles for your dash cam footage. Now, the design and build quality of this dash cam, it features a compact and discreet design that blends seamlessly into the vehicle interior. Now, like I said, installation was very easy and straightforward out of the box. This is a really open the box install and you're good to go, which I do love. It makes it really simple, and the instructions for installing this was super straightforward. Let's go ahead and talk about the pros and the cons. Now, the pros of this dash cam is that the 360-degree rotating camera lens is awesome for complete vehicle coverage, and the superior night vision capability for clear recording in low light conditions. And another plus which I really did love is the already built-in 128 gigabyte storage. That was a nice touch. And we got advanced features like 24-hour parking mode, AI detection, and built-in GPS. This also is easy to control and manage with the 17-my mobile app. I was like, a con that we had while testing this out was the limited 1080p resolution, which could be considered lower compared to other versions or other dash cams out there. Overall, I definitely enjoyed this 17-my dash cam X200 with this comprehensive and compact design. I definitely did enjoy some of the features like the built-in storage and its great nighttime vision. I really enjoyed also what makes this dash cam is the 360 on the camera lens, which provides some nice angles for dash cam footage. I definitely enjoyed it. I definitely would recommend it.